If you're having trouble accessing your Zelle account and need to regain ownership, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Verify your identity. Start by gathering any necessary information that can help verify your identity, such as your email address, phone number, and any linked bank account details. Step 2. Contact your bank. Reach out to the customer service department of your bank or credit union that offers Zelle. They can assist you in regaining access to your account and may have specific procedures to follow. Step 3. Use the Zelle app. Open the Zelle app and try to log in. If you can't access your account, look for the option to reset your password or recover your account. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 4. Check for account restrictions. If you still can't access your account, check if there are any restrictions or holds placed on your account by your bank. This could be due to suspicious activity or other security measures. Step 5. Follow up. After taking these steps, be sure to follow up with your bank if you haven't regained access. They may need additional information or time to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to regain ownership of your Zelle account efficiently. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from your bank support team.